highly sensitive internal memorandum from Zimbabwe Central Intelligence Organization is reportedly issued a stark warning to President Emmerson Mnangagwa, advising against proceeding with controversial constitutional amendments spearheaded by Justice Minister Ziyambi. The lengthy document, which has ignited intense debate within political circles, suggests that the proposed changes extend far beyond the initial mandate of the ruling ZANU-PF party and could fundamentally after the nation's democratic framework. Sabina Mashoko would have no Guapangwa Inoi. Achin's high sensitive CIO memo leaks. President Mnangagwa was strongly warned by CIO that was subscribe or like on the bell icon KUPINDA. Now more than you. The revelations come at a time when Zimbabwe's political landscape is already fraught with tensions, with the cabinet having recently approved draft legislation that seeks to extend presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years. This move, if successful, would allow President Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030, bypassing his constitutional mandated departure in 2028. The Justice Minister Ziyambi is the architect of this contentious Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment No. 3, Bill 2026, which has been described by critics as a significant step towards consolidating power and enabling democratic accountability. The leaked CIO memo reportedly described the proposed constitutional changes as a fundamental transformation of Zimbabwe's democratic framework. Specifically, the intelligence body cautioned against the removal of the direct presidential elections as currently provided under Section 92, read together Section 158 of the Constitution. The memo reportedly states, "This is a fundamental transformation of Zimbabwe's democracy, altering the source of executive legitimacy." The intelligence report further argues that the proposed changes go beyond the scope of ZANU-PF's own Resolution No. 1, which merely called for the extension of President Mnangagwa's tenure to 2030 within the existing constitutional framework. The CIO memo explicitly states Resolution No. 1 sought continuity within the existing system, not a regime change of the system itself. This is a monumental, unauthorized policy shift. This suggests a significant divergence between the party's initial intent and the far-reaching implications of the proposed bill. Concerns were also raised regarding proposals to extend parliamentary terms, with the CIO reportedly describing these as major constitutional changes introduced without broader party debate or a clear mandate. Furthermore, the memo highlights worries over provisions that would shift voter registration and delimitation powers from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, including control over the voters' roll. The leaked CIO memo serves as a critical internal warning against a legislative agenda that appears to be far more ambitious than initially presented. The Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment No. 3, Bill 2026, if enacted in its current form, would usher a profound changes to the country's governance structures, potentially concentrating powers and diminishing democratic checks and balances. As the debate continues, the eyes of both the nation and the international community will remain fixed on Zimbabwe, watching how this constitutional turn unfolds and what it means for the future of the democracy. Tomashuwa mdata wa pangwa inwe. Pinakome section medu za fungura imo tulipa msevu chitu each. So subscribe or like, check out on the bell icon.